Hi everyone, my name is Erica and I'm a librarian at the Twin Falls Public Library. Today I would like to tell you about one of the great resources that we offer at the library, Tutor.com. Now, with a name like Tutor.com, you may think that it's only resources for students. There are lots of great tools for students, but there are also lots of features for career help. There is something for everyone, from elementary students to college students to job seekers. To get started with Tutor.com, visit our library website, which is tfpl.org. If you scroll down, on the left-hand side, you can see our list of featured resources. And you can click here on the Tutor.com button. And that will take you to this site where you put in your library card number, which is the 14-digit number on the back of your library card. If you don't have a library card and would like to sign up, make sure and contact us at the library and we can get you more information and get you signed up for a card. After you enter your library card number, you can access one of the greatest features of Tutor.com, live online tutors, under the Connect with a Tutor Now section. There are tutors live online every day from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. You can pick which topic or subject or grade that you're looking for, and you can see they offer everything from ACT test prep to job help to Spanish. You can also enter a question here or attach a file and then click Connect Now to be connected with a tutor who specializes in that area. All the tutors are background checked and are experts in their field. They include certified teachers, college professors, graduate students, and other professionals. You can also access the Skills Center Resource Library, and you can access things like study resources, test prep resources, and career resources. And you can also see that Tutor.com is available as an app for Apple and Android products. There are other features of Tutor.com that you can access if you create a free account. And you can do that by clicking Create an Account here. And that takes you to this section right here. And you can see there are topics up here at the top, but then there are also more sections down here below. And my favorite section is the Get Help with Schoolwork section. If you click on the Explore Online Resources, that takes you to a tool where you can select a topic or like say math, and if you're looking for help with geometry, then you can also select a subtopic like pairs of angles, and that will take you to a list of websites and games and flashcards and all kinds of different resources on that topic. You can also submit a paper for review, and of course you can still connect with the live online tutors under the Connect with a Tutor Now button. You can also submit a paper for review. So, and that also includes help with resumes and cover letters, but you can select what kind of help you need, your grade level, what you would like the tutor to review. And if you're applying for a job, you can put a link to the job posting here. You can upload your document and click Submit, and then a tutor will get back to you within 12 hours. You can also drop off a math question under this section here. You can get help in topics like algebra, trigonometry, calculus, and again, you can select your grade level. You can type in any your question or any instructions. You can attach a file or you can draw your problem and then click Submit, and that will also go to the tutors and they will respond to you within 24 hours. Tutor.com also offers practice quizzes in different areas. So get to that section. Say you are needing help in geometry and you need help solving right triangles. You can click Take Quiz and that will generate some test questions for you. In the Other Tools section, Tutor.com also offers prep for the SAT and ACT, grad school tests, AP exams, and also offers videos for math and English. That's just a quick overview of Tutor.com. We hope you can take advantage of some of the great resources that it has to offer. If you have any questions about Tutor.com, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.